Okay, we have another good design system. New South Wales, I think this is. So a government-sponsored design system, which means it's gonna have a lot of focus on accessibility and all that good stuff. Let's dig right into it. As you can see, it's pretty well documented. You already know everything you need to be able to run it. It doesn't have yet variables and mode, but other than that, I skimmed through it. It's pretty solid, especially again, accessibility. You can see how contrasts work and how you should use them. Also, what I like is that they put some effort into actually customizing icons and stuff. Obviously, this is going to be very hard to use because it's their own stuff, but you can see how this would work. Again, really good library documentation. You'll have all the components that you need here. I'm not gonna spend too much time, but again, as you can expect, you're gonna have a lot of components that are really well done. Also pretty modern, except variables. It's up to standards in Figma. You also get a bunch of templates, kind of everything from marketing, and if your city or government would have this kind of look and feel, I think everybody would be super happy. So yeah, also optimized for mobile, which is really good. In the past, I worked on a couple of these like governmental design system, and I can tell you it's a pain in the ass. And the fact that they managed to make it look so good, it's quite an accomplishment. So lots of very good stuff here that you can use. The examples are focused more on like the public facing side, not really if you want to build system. It's not bad overall. I think it has a lot of potentials. And you also get the code. They have a GitHub repository. Sorry, I keep hopping, but yeah, they again pretty awesome on their part to share all of this. Yeah, good job. If you need like a solid system that's focused on the accessibility and that's well documented, this is a great starting point, as you can see.